What's up, guys? You wanted to see the alien MK.50 suit? Today is the day. Let's check this out. Most of the original suits were burned. I think there's only one or two that are still around. Check this dude out. So that big guy was initially done by Richie's Armor and Steve Laboito, and I believe Steve's wife helped with the wardrobe, like the actual costume underneath, which is super complicated, ton of sewing work. I got it second or third hand. I think it had been used as a costume for a while, and then it was on display in Canada, and it was in rough shape. So I got it a few years back and restored it, cleaned up the paint, made a bunch of repairs, made a custom mannequin for it so it could be displayed, custom base, and there it is. Definitely, this is scary to say, it's probably my favorite piece of my entire collection. So damn hard to find, so complicated if you go to make one. It took a bunch of years to hunt that thing down. You guys are gonna notice on the base that Weyland-Yutani is spelled without the D, and there's a reason for that. True Alien fans are going to know about it. It is not a typo. It's just an homage to 79. In the original film, they actually spelled Weyland just L-A-N, not with the D. So guys, there it is. That is the EVA suit from the original Alien, 1979. This is a replica. It's not screen used, but still such a cool piece. Probably my favorite. Great costume, looks amazing on display. A lot of fun to have around. It always blows my mind how many films have been influenced by this suit. Everything from the recent Underwater movie to dozens of others. You see elements of this suit's design in all of them. Classic piece of science fiction costuming. There it is, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, and we'll be back with more soon. Later.